So Linda, how are you today?
I'm good right now. And what about you?
I'm really really good too.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Love Letter 1995. And how about you?
I'm a Little Woman. And then, what's the most memorable scene you've never seen in your favorite movie?
The most favorite and memorable scene for me was when Hiroko stands out in the snow mountain and she shouted out "Oganki desu ka?" which means in English, how are you? She did that because she really missed her parents that had died before in that mountain. Before that, she even sent a letter to his old address just to feel close to him again, even though she know that he had died, you know. Yeah. That part when she shouted in Snow Mountain was really sad but beautiful. She did that because for the last time and saying goodbye to him. So yeah, it's my favorite and most memorable scene for me. And oh yeah, you can go. Okay.
I think it's a tragedy moment, but I know it's a beautiful moment at the same time. I love the movie too. I rewatched uh, for a twice. Yeah.
Wow.
And then, how do you feel about the movie? You think the male character is green flag or red flag?
How should I say this? I think I choose the red flag side because he like choose her Hinako because Hinako face was like most same with his friend back in school. Yeah. And how about you, Linda? What most memorable and your favorite scene in Little Women?
I think its memorable scene in Little Woman is when Laurie
Uh-huh.
says
Uh-huh.
to Joe
Uh-huh.
he fall in love he fell in love to Joe for a long time, but when both of them
Huh?
on the hill,
Yeah.
Joe is reject
Her confession.
yeah.
Oh my god.
It's
It made her shout and maybe a little bit sad.
yes,
Yeah.
it's a sad moment when
Ah.
when she rejects confession
Oh my
on Laurie.
Uh-huh.
I think Laurie is sad.
Yeah, of
moment.
course. Which woman that is not sad when her crush rejected her? Like
Yes, that's true.
I can feel her. Yeah, it's very sad.
In Indonesia we call it potek.
What do you think? What the most interesting set in movie that you ever watched?
I think Enola Holmes had an interesting set because that movie shows old big house of London.
Wow,
Cottage car aesthetic,
car,
I
yeah.
love it. And then
I love it too.
shows historical of the London and England. I love it because I think I like the set because the movie shows vintage vibes.
Yeah.
I love the vibe. Yeah.
Okay.
That's
It's so aesthetic with the set in London and cottage and then vintage. I love that. Yeah, it's so aesthetic.
that made me feel like I want to into the world. And then, what about your favorite or the most interesting set in the movie?
For me, like you, The most interesting set was in movie Any of the Neighbors 1985 version. The farmhouse where Annie lives with Marilla and Matthew. It was so pretty. The farmhouse design with a white wall and then green roof, and it even had a garden with pretty flowers. And then inside that house, it felt like so homey and have wooden decoration. It's so like you vintage and
Oh my god.
vintage and cottage. And the next one was like the farmhouse had a big trees and then green fields near around the house had quiet lake, so you can imagine the peaceful life from countryside. I want to feel that. I want to like enter the movie. It's so aesthetic for me.
I think we have a same vibes,
Yeah.
vibe setting
Yeah.
on the movie.
Yeah, of course.
We have a vintage aesthetic, cottage core, and then peaceful vibes.
Yeah. I agree with you.
Yes, I agree with you too. Oh yeah. By the way, before we watch a movie, we must have to watch trailer at first, right?
Right.
And what recently trailer for the movie, then made you feel to watch it or avoid to watching it.
There was a trailer from cartoon movie that was Your Letter in 2024. So the trailer made me want to watch that movie because actually it had adapted from webtoon, and I haven't watched it. And like netizen from the internet, from Instagram and TikTok, said the webtoon was very interesting. So when the trailer popped up in my FYP, I had decided to watch that movie. So when I clicked the trailer and then I watch it, like wow, the song from that trailer is very beautiful. When I listen to it, it was like felt sad and then warm but beautiful melody when you hear it. So it made me can imagine that movie like warm, has warm feel. And then I watched and read the synopsis. It was told about a girl named Sori. She moved from town to village, and she went to school. And when the first day of her went to school, she found a letter under the table. Like wow, this was so interesting. And when she read the letter, she must found another letter. Like it can like solve her curiosity about that school when she found one by one letter. It's so interesting. I decided to watch that movie because the plot was very interesting. And the movie was like it was told about friendship and then don't do bullying. So I decided to watch that movie. It was wow, meaningful for me. How about you?
when you're talking about your movie, I imagine what movie look like. And yeah,
Yeah. How about you, Linda?
the most interesting trailer of my favorite movie is Korean movie, and the title is Parasite.
Oh, Parasite. I know it, but I haven't watched it.
Okay, the trailer make me feel like curious because the trailer movie shows mysterious scene and then have a thriller scene. The character and the vibes, the color of the movie is pop out.
Oh.
It make me feel like what is it? I want to watch it.
Okay.
I want to watch it fastly.
Okay.
Really. That's it.
That's it. Okay.
Thank you.